Welcome to our channel. If you want to rebalance your investment portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation, follow this simple guide for optimal portfolio management. Step 1. Review your target asset allocation, which might be 60% stocks, 30% bonds, and 10% alternative investments, or whatever mix matches your risk tolerance and goals. Step 2. Calculate your current portfolio allocation by dividing each asset class value by your total portfolio value to see percentages. Step 3. Compare current allocation to target allocation to identify which assets are overweighted and which are underweighted in your portfolio. Step 4. Decide on your rebalancing trigger, either calendar-based, quarterly or annually, or threshold-based when allocations drift 5% or more from targets. Step 5. Sell portions of overweighted assets that have grown beyond their target allocation to take profits and reduce concentration risk. Step 6. Use proceeds from sales to purchase underweighted assets that have fallen below target allocation, effectively buying low after selling high. Step 7. Consider tax implications by prioritizing rebalancing within tax-advantaged retirement accounts first to avoid triggering capital gains taxes. Step 8. Document your rebalancing activities and set a calendar reminder for your next scheduled review to maintain discipline in your investment strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.